Food Cardiff connects people and projects to promote healthy, sustainable and ethical food across the city. Being a Veg City is one campaign that supports Food Cardiff's 5 good food goals, and 42 pledges have been made to grow, sell, cook, serve and save more vegetables in Cardiff.
So we create small seasonal menus. We like to use local producers, ideally ones based just outside Cardiff or in Wales. We don't think that good food should just be something that privileged people can enjoy. It should be, everyone deserves to have access to good, nutritious food. We run regular community dinners. They're a dinner for everyone. They provide an evening for connection, for healthy food. People might learn about different cuisines they've not eaten before.
O'n i'n falch iawn cael y cyfle mynd mewn i'r ysgolion, yn enwedig fan hyn yn Nghaerdydd, a aethon ni mewn gyda'n chef ni. Wnaethon ni hufen ia allan o carrots, wnaethon ni smoothies allan o brocoli. Oedd e'n twymwch calon chi rili, gweld plant fydde ddim yn arferol yn ôl nhw yn bita'r llysiau hyn. Ti fewn 20 munud, hanner awr, o'n nhw'n bita moron fel o'n nhw. So oedd e'n fenter ffantastig i fod yn rhan o.
We started to give it away plants to people and some soil to help the community to gain confidence and to learn new skills with plants.
It made me fall in love to grow, to have the compost, to have the seed, and I ate my first tomato I grew in South Riverside in Cardiff, and it was amazing.
I became a veg advocate because I believe that the way to access good, healthy food sometimes is to start and grow it yourself. So I thought it was a really good idea to help people learn to grow their food and what you can do with it. There's no more, satisfying feeling than having a tomato come off your plant. That's success in life and in the garden, isn't it?